Custom Color 3D Printing is the company to go to for color additive manufacturing. We look at making products for end use, for clients, and for businesses that are produced from beginning to end in a full range of colors. The reason that we chose MJF technology, and in particular the color MJF, is that it's really the only technology on the market that provides high quality color parts and really durable end-use parts. And it's really the joining of those two aspects that makes a product that is ripe for disrupting a lot of different industries.
At Snow Day, we make snow globes of people's homes. The MJF technology allows us to create intricate structures that fell apart in the past, that would break off in the printing process.
HP's 3D technology has brought us the ability to scale with a beautiful product, a product that will actually make all of our customers ecstatic. We're able to produce something that is consistent in color quality, consistent in surface quality, whereas we couldn't do that before.
Having an additive manufacturing machine that can do full color allows you to create parts for an end customer that you couldn't do in any other method previous to this. HP Smart Screen software allows us to go through iterative changes in color with a singular part. So if they have a letter or a logo that they want to see in a blue or a red, rather than having to go through multiple prints and letting them see that after the fact, they can see it right there in the software before I even hit print.
The impact of color on Twindom's figurines really is the ability to bring vibrancy and life.
The way that the 580 machines work has enabled us to increase our production yields while decreasing our production time. One of the main benefits is the ability for us to do a large amount of parts all at once.
We are shipping faster than we were before, but more importantly, we're taking more time to work with the customer to get the product just right. We don't have to wait around for 3 weeks for a print to come back.
We plan on growing our business by approaching color 3D printing with traditional additive manufacturing, but also showcasing where the technology can go in industries that aren't even looking at additive manufacturing right now.